Okay, let's build a tiny whoop. Okay, the important things that we have are the BetaFPV flight controller with OSD. I've got this micro VTX wedged in the bottom in between the little connectors for the motor mounts with a little piece of electrical tape underneath that to keep from any shorts happening. We've got the Cyclops 3 version 3. Yeah, double threes there. But the Cyclops 3 version 3 is an HD DVR that records it. I mean, I guess if you, I don't know what world 720 is HD, but either way it's a DVR for the whoop, so that way we don't have to just use goggle DVR, we get actual DVR footage from the whoop. The receiver we're going to throw on this guy is the FSRX2A, and that receiver is going to work on the FlySky protocol, which works with the Turnigy evolution. Let's get this whoop built. So the way I'm going to have this wired is I think I'm going to run the VTX off of the 5 volt here that's for the camera. The camera, since it's got the DVR, I'm just going to run off of VBAT from over here, and then the receiver has all of its pins over here, so I'm going to run it off the 5 volt regulator for the receiver. And then we've got a 32 gigabyte SD card for that sweet HD footage. Let's get to it. Let's clip off these extra wires that we're not going to use here. Undo that very carefully, because we definitely want to use this yellow one. These are the wires for if you're going to run the camera off of the regulator that's on the VTX, but we're not going to do that since the camera has the DVR. We're just going to run that off VBAT. Ground VTX. Just connect the dots. If you ignore the fact that they're not the pretty solders, I think this whoop might be built. This is the time where we bust out the multimeter and do continuity tests. That's good. Positive and negative don't have any continuity. Yeah, I think as long as positive and negative don't have any continuity, we should be good. live video and OSD. I may even mess that up. There's a fat little piggy. I guess I need to tell it what I want the switches to be, don't I? We got A, B, C. Cool. Okay, now let's go to modes. Let's take her for a maiden flight. Whoa, this is a heavy pig. Woo! We're gonna need to adjust some PIDs on this. But yeah. Made a little thingy.
Nice.
I dub her Wolfwhoop.
Wolfwhoop.
Wolfwhoop. A new wolf is born. Just look for the recording. Can we do a flip? Can we do a flip? Yeah. We'll work on the flips. That is how we build Whoop-Whoop.
Please listen carefully.